and something tragic happens, to say it blows up because of, I don't know, a random ass grenade or a sticky bomb or whatever. It just blows up, it gets totaled. You can actually get a replacement vehicle for free if you have the full coverage. So that's pretty neat. And that's pretty much what they have for the for the insurance tracker, loss, theft, whatever you want to call it, in Grand Theft Auto Online. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Keep the requests coming. If you have requests, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll take a look at it whenever I have the chance to. Anyways, this has been Vex. Much love. Take care. Peace.